Okay, today we're going to be working on a 2003 Volkswagen Jetta with 105,000 miles on it with a 2.04 cylinder. It has a check engine light on the dash and the code is a P0036. It says H02S heater control circuit bank 1 sensor 2, and hopefully we're going to show you how to fix it. Take the key out. Come over here, disconnect the battery. Okay, here's the O2 sensor I bought from Volkswagen. It was $233 with tax. Okay, there's a okay, there's two 10mm bolts you have to take out right here, and there's one right here. Take these two bolts out, drop this black cover down like this, and you can see right here there's a plug that you got to take out. So get this out, push this little prong in, and the sensor will come undone like that. And here's a 7/8. I took a 7/8 wrench. I had to bang on this one with a hammer a little bit, but it came really easy. Untwist it. Take the O2 sensor out, take this plastic cover off, put the O2 sensor in. Put this wire back in the clip. Plug it in here. Make sure it clicks, you can hear it click. Put it back in its little holder. Like so, put the wire through the little hole right there in the cover. Put the cover back on. Reinstall these two nuts. Okay. Did you pause? Okay, that was a super easy fix, guys. It was a couple $100, but here you go. You see the dash. As you can see, that was a very easy fix. I hope this video helps you guys save some money. Until next time.